You don't need that bulky wallet anymore. With Samsung Pay, you can add your credit and debit cards right into your watch. Once everything is set up, you'll be able to make purchases in person, online, or in an app with only your watch. Soon, you'll be paying easy way. All you need to do is to hold down the back key on your Galaxy Watch, swipe through the screens and follow the instructions. It will help you access the app on your phone through a pop-up screen notification. Select Add Card on your phone. You must agree to the issuer's terms and conditions. Once you agree to the terms and the conditions, you will receive an OTP through your registered mobile number or email address, or you can call your bank for further information. It's mandatory to set a security method, PIN, or pattern on your Galaxy Watch. Once registration is complete, you will find that the cards on your Galaxy Watch are ready to use. You only need to press and hold back key to open the Samsung Pay app. In addition to that, you need to insert your security method in order to do your payment. All you need is to hold your Samsung Watch near to the NFC reader for successful purchase. In case you want to delete your registered card, all you need to do is press and hold the back key until the Samsung Pay launches. Then insert your security method to verify. In case you have multiple cards, swipe to the card you want to remove, then tap the minus sign to delete it.